Smoking is not permitted anywhere on the train or at any of our stations. Consumption of your own alcohol is not permitted anywhere on the train. For your safety, do not ride on the gangways which connect the carriages. Aisles and doorways are to be kept clear at all times. Children should be supervised at all times. To protect our environment, please do not throw rubbish from the train. There is a bin located at the end of each carriage. When exiting the train, please take extra care on the seat carriage deck. Hold both handrails and exit slowly. Also, be mindful of the gap between the train and the platform. In the unlikely event of an emergency situation, the emergency cord is located above the window. If necessary, the cord should be pulled firmly and held as long as possible. If there is any
I'll give you 50 bucks.
please follow the instructions and directions of our
Im Falle einer Notsituation befindet sich die Notbremse oberhalb der Fenster. Ziehen Sie an der Schnur und halten Sie diese so lange wie möglich fest. Im Falle einer Evakuierung befolgen Sie bitte die Anweisungen des Zugpersonals. Vielen Dank.
I can see him.
Yeah, good on you.
You got one, I got one.
緊急事態にはそのコードを強くしっかりと押していただき、そのままの状態でできるだけ長くお持ちください。もしも列車から避難する必要のある場合においては、乗務員の指示に従ってください。
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention. Safety information can also be viewed at both ends of your carriage and on the back of your souvenir concrete package.
But I'm not going to put it on for the whole 6 hours.
However, when the Barron River is in flood, an enormous volume of water gushes over the falls and drops 255 metres, creating a spectacular eruption of water and mist. When you come to a complete stop, please take this opportunity to step down from the train and take a closer look at the Barron Gorge. The platform is on the left side in the direction of travelling. As this is a brief stop, please do not venture across the overhead bridge, as the please note that smoking is not permitted at Barrett Falls Station. Please listen for the train whistle as a signal to make your way back to your seat. If you are getting out, railway. Tunnel 15 is the longest of the tunnels on the line at 429 metres and by far the most difficult to build. Construction of this tunnel took over 2 years and was delayed when civil workers were injured during the stages. To make up for lost time, John Robb had his men work on 8 tunnel faces at once. Gangs of men tunnelled in from the mountain face and worked on digging sections of the main tunnel. Without modern survey equipment, it was a remarkable achievement to join all 8 tunnel faces.
Good shot.
Although built to service the mining township, this railway soon became a
Oh my god. Look at that though. That is another good. Cairns over there.
We are now at Red Bluff, one of the steepest sections and the largest cutting along this line. This was the most difficult section for the workers to excavate. Men were suspended down by ropes to dig away the cutting. However, the rock face was unstable, and as the men made progress, the slope would slip and work would be lost. John Robb had his men dig well into the rock face until a solid foundation could be found. This created the distinctive scar that is a landmark today. Below us is the site of Kuranda, where John Robb established his base camp. Mules and pack horses were used to carry supplies up steep slopes to the many work sites. Over time, the base camp became a bustling settlement. By 1888, it even had its own brewery, turning out over 2,000 gallons of ale a week. As we approach the bridge, look to the left for a great photo of the bridge. Then quickly look across to the right for another great photo of the waterfall. For your safety, please do not place any part of your body outside of the carriage doors or windows.
Where's the balls? Yeah, it's like
Which you want to call it?
it's like a waterfall.
Let's see, once we get past these three.
Here we go.
Put your head in. Oh, I didn't know it'd be a little bit. The better side is everybody's camera sticking out the window. That's really the best picture.
Oh, there's a waterfall and there's a train. Oh dear, and I'm going to take a photo.
What? I know.
Photo.
Well, you know what, you have to cross it.
You will. Here we are.
Yes. Oh, you can.
Yeah.
Here, let me see what we have.
Yeah. And the waterfall. Bye bye waterfall. Waterfall go bye bye.
We are now coming to Skyrail.
That's good.
The yard here has a passing route and is the only section on the rail where it is possible for two trains to cross. Stony Creek Station is an important structure in locomotive to take on water. At one time, a lavish 28-room hotel was built here. Brilliant rooms and a ballroom with a glass piano. At the peak of construction, there were 26 licensed hotels between Reading and Kuranda. It must have been its first work.
Oh, it's
Yeah.